In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests in bulk to Google Calendar event. We'll start right in your web browser. Open Google Calendar and make sure you're looking at the correct account. To create your event, click the Create button, then choose Event. Give your event a clear, recognizable title so guests can identify it at a glance. Something like Weekly Meeting works great. Next, set when the event happens. Click the date to choose the correct day, and then set the start and end times. Take a moment to confirm AM or PM and that the time zone is what you expect, especially if you work with people in different regions. Getting this right now prevents confusion later. Now it's time to add guests in bulk. On the event panel, click Add Guests. You'll see a field where you can start typing. To move quickly, type the initials or the first few letters of a guest's name. Even a single letter, like W, will pull up suggestions from your contacts and your organization's directory. When you see the correct person or email address, select it to add them to the guest list. Keep your momentum going by immediately typing the next set of initials. A fast rhythm is to type a few letters, press enter to select the suggestion, then type the next name, and repeat. This lets you add a large number of guests without moving your mouse. If you accidentally add the wrong person, just click the small X next to their name to remove them and continue. As you work, glance at the growing list to make sure you're not adding duplicates and that the addresses look correct. Continue repeating this process. Type the initials, choose the matching email, and move to the next person until everyone you want is included on the guest list. This approach scales well for team meetings, classes, or any recurring session where the same group needs the invite. When you're done, click Save. Google Calendar will prompt you to send invitations. Click Send so your guests receive an email invite and see the event on their calendars. If you're not ready to notify yet, say you want to finalize details, remember you can save without sending and return to the event later to send invitations when you're ready. A quick tip before we wrap up, it's helpful to review your guest list once more after saving, especially for large groups. Make sure the names and emails are accurate and that nobody critical was missed. That's it. You've efficiently added guests in bulk to your Google Calendar event and sent the invites in just a few clicks.